Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about MPSC Non-Gazetted Services Exam Notification. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And don't skip, watch the video till the end. Before going to the notification details, let's see the overview. The organization that has released this notification is Maharashtra Public Service Commission MPSC for the various posts Assistant Room Officer, State Tax Inspector, Police Sub-Inspector, Sub-Registrar, Grade 1, Inspector of Stamps, Sub-Inspector State Excise, Technical Assistant, Tax Assistant and Clerk Typist post. And the name of examination is Maharashtra Non-Gazetted Group B and Group C Services Combined Preliminary Examination 2023 and total 8,169 post vacancies are released in this notification and the applications has already started and it will be closed by 14th February 2023 and you can apply online for this notification and the job location is Maharashtra. And if you have any queries, you can go through this official website mpsc.government.in. Let's see some important dates of this notification. The last date of online application is 14th February 2023 and the prelims exam date is 30th April 2023 and mains group B exam date is 2nd September 2023 and mains group C exam date is 9th September 2023. Coming to the vacancies, as I said above, there are 8,169 post vacancies in this notification. In that, there are 78 vacancies for the post Assistant Room Officer and 159 post vacancies for State Tax Inspector and 374 post vacancies for Sub-Inspector of Police and 49 vacancies for Sub-Registrar Grade 1 and Inspector of Stamps, and there are 6 vacancies for Second Inspector and State Excise, 1 vacancy for Technical Assistant and 468 vacancies for Tax Assistant and 7,034 vacancies for Clerk Typist. Let's see the educational qualifications for the various posts. For cadres other than Industry Inspector Group C cadre, you would have degree from a recognized university or a qualification recognized as equivalent to a degree by the Government of Maharashtra. And if you see the educational qualifications for Industrial Inspector Group C cadre, you would have a minimum of bachelor's degree in engineering or technology, or you may have degree in statutory university in science. And all the candidates who have appeared in final year examination of diploma or degree will be eligible for admission in preliminary examination. But in case if you qualify for the main examination, it will be mandatory to pass the diploma or degree examination till the last date of submission of necessary applications. And the knowledge of Marathi language is required for this post. Coming to the age limit details, the age limit for general category candidates is 18 to 38 years, for BC 18 to 43 years, and for handicapped, project affected and earthquake affected candidates, the age limit is 18 to 45 years, and for the part-time graduate candidates, the age limit is 18 to 55 years. And here we can see the selection process. All the candidates will be selected based on the performance in the following. Those are combined preliminary examination and main examination, and there will be physical test for recruitment to the post of Sub-Inspector of Police, which will be for 100 marks, and all the candidates who secured minimum 70 marks in the physical test will be interviewed, which is for 40 marks, and the selection process for Police Sub-Inspector cadre will be conducted on the basis of marks in the main written test and the marks in the interview. And there will be prescribed typing skill test, which is mandatory for the recruitment in Tax Assistant as well as Assistant Room Officer and Clerk Typist cadre, and the typing skill test is only for Clerk Typist and Tax Assistant post. For more details on selection process, you can download the official notification. At last, we can see the application fee details. For combined preliminary examination, the application fee for Amagas is 394 and for BC and Educated and Orphan, the application fee is 294, and for main examination, the application fee for Amagas is 544, and for backward class, Educated and Orphan candidates, the application fee is 344. So this is the brief information of MPSC Non-Gazetted Services Exam Notification. If you want to download this official notification, we had provided the link in the description box. You can download this notification from that link. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.